Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc, where we take the ordinary and make it extraordinary. We will be covering the art of patina and shine, and learn to breathe new life into old shoes. So grab your dyes and polishes, and get ready to get your hands dirty. And let's dive right into today's project. Alright, got a fun project today, so a little bit of an unboxing and patina project in one. So this is Robert August. So I saw them on Instagram, and they reached out to me for a little collaboration. These are Goodyear welted, made in Spain with patinas. But since they're patina shoes, that means that they originally are crust leather. And so they reached out to me to do a custom patina, something that they don't typically have on their website. So we'll take a look at these. Very beautiful crust leather shoes. So we'll check these out. We're going to do a custom, call it my fall leaves patina. So this is their wholecut Oxford. Really nice. This is Spanish full grain crust leather. Dynite rubber sole. That'll last forever. Nice thick rubber sole on these. Nice leather lining. I mean, overall, it's a nice shoe. It's Goodyear welted. You know, nice stitch density. It's clean on the uppers, and a nice chiseled last shape. So yeah, I think these will be perfect for a custom patina. I'm gonna get the laces off. Right, got them unlaced. I'm going to start with this light buckskin for a base color, and everything else will kind of go on top of that. So it's a nice light yellowish tan. Perfect for patina because it doesn't really change the color too much, so you can do a lot with it still. I'm going to apply it maybe a little bit more in a marbled fashion. We use cotton balls instead of a brush, I think, for this first step. Alright, so I've got a custom mix here, just a little bit of the Fibings green, some Angelus spice, and some of the buckskin. Playing around with these to get this kind of an olive tone here. I did dilute it a little bit, so here's our custom mix. And we're going to add some green towards kind of the middle of the vamp for this kind of fall leaves patina. Alright, got a little bit of that green kind of base coloring here, just towards the middle. Now I'm doing a fairly diluted spice, which is really more of a brown, just a little bit of green undertones, I'd say. This is kind of a custom mix diluted spice color here. I'll be adding this over the rest of the shoe. Alright, so we've got our kind of faded green, we've got kind of the brown mixed in. We're going to go over the edges and darken things up a good bit. So now I'm using the spice not diluted anymore for the darkest areas. Going back again to my lighter brown and kind of filling in a little more, blending in with that dark brown a little better. This ox blood, and it's pretty diluted, and I'm just using, kind of shake up the bottle, get a little bit in the cap because I don't want this to be too strong, and I'm adding a little bit of red tone here to these, but the red can be pretty overpowering, so trying to be extra careful with it. We're just going to have a little bit of hint of red on the edges here. Alright, feeling pretty good about the dye work, where we're at. I'm liking the color. So at this point, before I do anything more, I'm going to recondition the shoes. I like to use Bic 4 conditioning lotion, so we'll put some of this on them. It removes any unabsorbed dye, and we'll just see if we need to tweak the colors in any areas, but pretty happy with how it's looking. Do just a little bit of touch up with some cream polish. This is a darker brown by Saphir. Right, it's time to give these babies a good old shine. Take a little bit of Saphir Mirror Gloss in neutral. I always like to apply it just with my fingertips first. After I've applied this base coat by hand, introducing a cloth, just getting it damp, A little bit of wax on here, single drop of water. Now we start buffing those layers that we added by hand, smoothing things out a little bit. And really at this point, just need to lace them back up. They are ready to go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyelets. So that's an even number, which is a little bit easier to lace up. You'll pull the laces and you pull them to an even point, and then you're just going to alternate. So this one's going to go up and across. Next one up and across, and you just repeat. Switch to the other one. Up. Cross, switch laces again, up, cross. What you should end up with is an even set of laces, one on each side, and then you just come up. And there you have it, they're ready to tie. Alright, so here we are, finished up, laced up, shined up, ready to go. And this is a Robert August model. It's called Wabash Wholecut Oxford, Goodyear welted. Beautiful shoes. Normally these are $4.79 with the factory patina. Now this is a special collaboration where I'm going to be doing this, custom patina, this fall leaves patina. They're going to be selling this, making this available to anyone that wants it. This is actually, I did these for the owner of the brand, but he's going to make this a special made-to-order option, and I'm not sure what the pricing is going to be. It's probably going to be a little above that $4.79. Since I'm doing the hand-dyed patinas myself, I think there's a little upcharge for that. But yeah, absolutely love the shoes. I love the way these turned out. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this process. Here they are once again, my fall leaves inspired patina with some browns, greens, and even reds. So I'm really pleased with these. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Check out the brand. Stay on the lookout for this custom patina on their website. And like, subscribe, share it with your shoe-loving friends. See you on the next one.